Hello dears and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys again. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I'm a professional graphic designer plus computer education expert. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we are going to create this H letter for any business. If you're going to make this for any client, you need to ask the business name. Along with that, you need to ask the color kit which you're going to use for that business name. If that business name doesn't have any color kit or branding, so you have to make the color kit. So you're going to complete the branding with that business. If you're going to make this kind of logo, for any website you want to sell online, so you have to add this logo name, or you can add any name for that, and you need to add this slogan or tagline. For any client also you require to have this tagline. If that business doesn't have any tagline, so you can use a lot of AI tool to generate this slogan or tagline. So here let me show you the document first. The document size is this 3000 width and this height is 2000 pixel. And also here let me show you the colors which we are going to use with this document. So I'm going to click on this color picker. So here you can use these colors if you need. This is the color code in hex for the first one, and this is going to be the second color. So we're going to make some variation for the logo. We're going to use these colors, and here we need to create our own custom grid. And to do that, we need to go to this view menu and click on show grid. And here we need to get the pen tool, and then need to click right here, and by holding shift on my keyboard I need to make this a straight line. So now I need to add a stroke for this line, and by holding alt I'm going to just make another line. So we need 11 lines. We need to use this Control D so we can create duplicate lines. So I'm going to hold Control D. So we have this 1 2, and I'm going to create this 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. And now I'm going to select everything, and we're going to align it, and we need to remove this grid. So we need to go to this view and click on hide grid. So I'm going to right click, and here we need to click on group. We need to rotate this. So I'm going to right click, and we need to go to transform and click on rotate. So we need to rotate this 65 degrees. And also here we need another copy, so we need to go to this edit and click on copy. So you can use the shortcut which is this Control plus C. So I'm going to click on copy, and I'm going to click on paste in place. You can use the shortcut which is this Shift plus Control plus V. So I'm going to click at that, and here we need to right click, go to transform and click on reflect. We're done with the custom grid. Is super easy. You can do it in just a seconds. So we're going to click on this shape builder tool with this toolbar, and I'm going to select any color, and we need to remove the stroke. Now I'm going to make this H later. So we're going to make this H. You can make any other letters. So I'm going to make it a single shape with the shape builder tool, because we don't actually add this shade or something to this part of the H. And if you want to add this shading, or if you want to add this shadow right here, so you don't have to make this a complete or a single shape. So I'm going to make it a complete or single shape. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to right click and ungroup, and we need to put it, we need to ungroup it again, and we need to select this H and put it right here, and I'm going to delete the rest of the lines. So what I'm going to do with this H letter is that I'm going to just right click, and here we need to rotate this. So I'm going to rotate this 100. You can mess around, like you can rotate it with different degrees if you want to. You can make it this 60 and you can put another edge, or you can just use it just like this as well. So I'm going to make this 120, and I'm going to make another copy, right click, and we're going to click on reflect, and I'm going to put it right here. Let me remove the stroke, and also I'm going to align it. You can attach this something like this if you want to, but I don't want to attach it because the space here is just look like the gap, which is just look like a V. I don't want to just make it look like a V. So now it looks really perfect. So I'm going to select, and we are going to right click and group it. By holding Alt and Shift, I'm going to scale this and put it right here. We're going to group it, and using eyedropper tool, we're going to use this color. And also I'm going to make another copy. So I'm going to use the second color here. We're going to center it here. And for this one, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a background. This document is 2000 by 2000 pixels, so I'm going to make this 1500 by 2000 pixel. So we just created the half of this page. So I'm going to align it, and we're going to send this back of the page, and I'm going to change the color. I can change the color something like, let's try this one, or you can change with different colors. As I said, if you're going to make this for any client, so you have to ask for the business name with the slogan or tagline. And if you're planning to sell this online for any digital market or any other stock websites, so you need to add the logo name right here with the tagline, that it just look like a logo template. So this is how we can use this simple and super easy custom grid to make this kind of brand name. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to make this edge. Later, even you can create any letters you want with that kind of grid. You can create this A, you can create any letters. If you're going to practice, if you're going to create just the same custom grid like me. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.